They're golden, they're crispy, and they're tastier than a kebab at 2 a.m. This is the ultimate chip on a stick, done the Schueys BBQ way. This is the most fun I've had sticking something in my mouth. Smut! These potato spirals are huge everywhere around the world. India is even laying claim to inventing them. But the truth is, they originated in South Korea. And today we're taking them to a whole new level, barbecue style. You'll need some spuds. Start by slicing off one side of each potato. This just lets them sit still without rolling off your bench. And now we just need to trim off both sides and turn the potato over and remove the last side. Then you need to top and tail the potatoes, and you should have something that looks similar to this. And then just place these in water so they don't turn brown from oxidization. Submerging sliced potatoes into water stops your enzymatic browning. And that's just fancy talk for they won't look sad and old. Today we're going to be using a 57cm Weber kettle, and we're pairing it up with a Kettle Kone, also known as the vortex of flavour. We're fueling this spiral mission with Heat Bead's original briquettes, and we're aiming for 240 degrees Celsius of indirect heat. And that's just hot enough to melt your crocs if you stand too close to the barbecue. Lid goes back on, vents wide open, and we can get back to prepping those potato spirals while this heats up like an air fryer on turbo mode. Today's cook will take 30 minutes, or for those of you who love to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. One beer equals roughly 30 minutes. Unless you're in Queensland, then it's 22 minutes and another stubby. It's time to finish off these tornado potatoes. We just need to get them out of the water, and we're just gonna pat them dry with some paper towel. Grab 2 chopsticks, or your kids' drumsticks, and place potato in between them. Now with a sharp knife, you're gonna cut all the way down to those sticks from one end to the other, and try and keep your cuts around about 3 mil apart, and you should have something that looks like that. Now flip it over, and we're going to slice again, but on a 45-degree angle. Same deal, roughly about 3 mil apart. This is where the magic happens. And now we can pull it all apart. Grab a wooden skewer and put it in the middle and push it all the way through. And then just fan out those potato fins like a potato peacock. Then we want to spray them all on every side with some cooking oil. And then you can sprinkle on your favourite seasoning. I'm smashing this lamb rub from Rub & Q lately. It's got more kick than a donkey punch. Now, don't forget to give your grill a bit of a spray, and then just place the potatoes around the outer part of the cooking grill, as this is where that high heat from the Kettle Kone is being forced. And get the lid back on. Quick science lesson for everyone out there. The Weber lid vent creates a hot spot. Air comes in through the bottom past the fuel and it exits out of this lid vent, just like a fart escaping a car with one window open. So to cook evenly, turn your lid a third of the way every 10 minutes during the cook. Vent alignment shifts the thermal zone. It's barbecue feng shui for spuds. When they're golden and crispy, it's garnish time. Go wild. Sauces, cheeses, salsas, you name it. I tend to keep it classy with fresh chopped chives. It adds flavours and makes me feel like I'm on a cooking show with a budget. Now, if you've been somewhat entertained by this video, don't forget, hit the like button, share it with a potato lover, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more barbecue madness. After 30 minutes, we got crispy, crunchy, golden spirals, and they're on a stick. What we've got here is fairground vibes with a backyard flavour. Now, if you want to impress your mates, feed a crowd, or just play with your food in the most delicious way possible, give these a go.